Hello and welcome car enthusiasts. My name is Chad and you are watching Car Reels. In today's video, we're going to be discussing a huge problem with my Benz and what my plans are to fix it. So let's get her backed out of the garage. Problem with my Benz is the swirl marks in the paint. So this car is in excellent condition, has less than 20,000 miles on the vehicle, but when you get up close, you see all the swirl marks, and it really takes away from the look and the shine of the car. So I want to get that taken care of. So I've got a special friend. His name is Russell with Texas Shine Factory. He's coming this morning to take the car, and he's gonna have it for a few days. So when he gets here, I'm gonna have him tell you a little bit more about why swirl marks happen in paint, what he's gonna be doing over the next few days to correct the paint and also protect the paint. How you doing? Good to see you.
Good to see you too, man. Cool.
Glad to have you here, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, Senior's here too.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Good morning.
How are you, man?
I'm good, man.
Good
Nice
to see you. I didn't know you were coming today.
Yeah.
Glad you did. Good to see you both.
Got a little bonus this morning.
Yeah. Best in the business right here.
Yes, sir.
For junior and senior, man. This is awesome.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you recently got a new shop. You mind telling me a little bit about that?
Yeah, we have a 3,000 square foot facility.
Yeah.
In the back of a storage unit, and it's where we do all our ceramic coating, full details.
Yeah.
And whatnot. Really custom work, paint tailpipes.
Oh, do you?
Paint grills,
Yeah.
all that, man. So
Okay.
anything you need, we can pretty much do it.
Yeah, okay, awesome. Well, I know you do like one-off appointments for car washing and detailing. And then, of course, you got the monthly membership that you've done for me for a while up until COVID. But we're doing something different today on mine.
Yeah.
So if you would tell me a little bit why we see swirls in paint. How does that happen?
Swirls of paint come from they can come from improper washing.
Okay.
They can come from buffing marks from someone who doesn't properly know how to buff a car.
Right.
And that's basically it. Because
Yeah.
when you wash a car, you don't want to go straight to the wash. You want to. That's why when you see us out here, we're foaming it up because we want a lubricant to add to the surface as we're washing, because so it won't swirl.
Yeah.
But the swirls come from when you go straight from the bucket and sponge straight to the paint.
Right.
And that's what happens.
It's got grit in it,
Yeah,
dirt,
grit.
stuff like that. Okay. So you're going to have this car for a few days. So tell me a little bit about what you're going to do.
Okay, so we're gonna give it a good thorough wash. We're gonna decontaminate the paint, get all the iron and brake dust off of it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna clay bar it, and we're gonna go section by section and get rid of all the swirls. Then we're gonna polish it out.
Okay.
And then we're gonna lay down the ceramic coating on it.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah. All right. So then I guess what I need to do is give you my keys here.
Yes, sir.
And we'll see you in the car in a few days.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much, both of you.
Yeah.
All that haze you see, Chad, will clear up once you polish it, but the compound got the scratches out. So this is the progress we made. It's the passenger side door, passenger side front door.
Okay, so the car is back. Russell Jr. and Russell Sr. has just dropped it off. Looks absolutely amazing. So Senior was just telling me that takes 4 to 5 days to cure. It'll harden, it'll only look better. So once it cures for 4 or 5 days, I can start washing it. But he said the shine should increase. All right, Real Nation, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm really pleased with the work that Russell did on the car. He said that the ceramic coating should last for 2 to 3 years. Just maintain it with washes, which he does an amazing job. So you can catch Texas Shine Factory on Instagram, Facebook, and he's starting a YouTube channel. I'll have all those links in the description so you can follow him. He does the cars for Ferrari of Houston, does a lot in River Oaks area, which in the Houston area, that's just where all the old money is. You see a lot of amazing cars. So if you love to see rare exotic cars or just some amazing cars, you'll want to follow him. If you're local, you'll want to follow him so you can hook him up and get him to come out and take care of your car. But that's it for today. We'll see you on the next one.